Hey, welcome to Pajammed. I'm PJ, and I am so excited to finally bring this to you. I'm ready to talk tech, but before we do, don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more Pajammed in your life. And trust me, you do. You do want more Pajammed in your life. CES is officially in the books, and while we couldn't make it there in person this year, that's not stopping us from bringing you all the highlights. In this video, we're diving deep into LG's bold vision for the future, showcased during their January 6th keynote at CES. Spoiler alert, it's not just about artificial intelligence anymore. LG sets the tone right away by reintroducing a phrase they coined on last year's CES stage. Their CEO, William Cho, reminds us that from LG's perspective, AI stands not for artificial intelligence, but for affectionate intelligence. Adorbs. Their continuing mission: to explore strange new worlds. To redefine AI into something that doesn't just understand users, but cares for them. LG aims to extend this across every type of space. The final frontier. Okay. I've gone off script. They want to extend this across every type of space, including home, mobility, commercial, and virtual. How do they plan to do this? They're focusing on what they're calling their fundamental trifecta: connected devices, capable AI agents, and integrity services. I couldn't do this. It wouldn't work. A combination designed to make their vision a reality. LG's hardware game is strong, with hundreds of millions of their products already out in the real world. They're supercharging that ecosystem with an acquisition of Dutch company At Home and boosting connectivity with more than 170 IoT brands. That's Internet of Things. This is where their AI agent Furon takes center stage. Furon uses intelligent sensing and multimodal-based contextual understanding, say that 3 times fast, to anticipate user needs and to adapt to various scenarios, making interactions more intuitive and seamless. Translation: it's like having a super smart assistant who can actually read the room. Kind of. Not in an emotional, let's talk about your feelings way, but in a digital, let me optimize your life way. You get the point. Next up, LG showed off how their AI can transform daily life. Picture this: a soothing AI voice speaks to other devices in the house. Overnight, the AI manages power usage, monitors the family's sleeping patterns, and raises the house temperature by 5 degrees to keep everyone cozy. Then it talks to an adorable robot named Q9 that looks like it would fit in perfectly in a Lucas universe, telling it to make sure the clothes in the dryer stay wrinkle-free. Q9 chats with the WashTower, a smart washer and dryer which promises to untangle the clothes until the family returns at 5 p.m. Oh, and the Hydro Tower, a smart humidifier, adjusts the home's humidity levels to perfection. Everything is A-okay. Until John Connor bursts through the wall and ruins the demo. Oh, okay, so that didn't happen. Yet. Brent Varner, LG's VP of Home Appliance Solution Sales, introduced their user-friendly appliances. For example, the WashTower that we just mentioned features a 7-inch display for customizable settings, like prioritizing your most used wash cycles, which makes sense. You can even check the weather on your washing machine, just to make sure you're washing the right clothes for the day. This appliance can detect fabric type and even learn your wash pattern, so it's practically doing laundry smarter than most of us. Now, if only you could detect a pink sock and a load of whites. LG didn't stop at homes. They took their AI expertise to the roads. In their demo, the AI notices that Thomas forgot his coffee tumbler at home.
Thomas, you don't seem to have your coffee tumbler with you today. Would you like to grab some coffee? It's only a 2-minute detour to your favorite cafe.
When Thomas agrees, the AI recalibrates the path and alerts him that there was black ice on his usual route, so the detour was actually a doubly good thing. It even pre-orders his coffee so it's ready when he arrives at the drive-thru. A decision it made on its own, and without confirmation from Thomas, which would make me question it having my bank account information. A little. Oh, but there's a promo involved, so convenient. The AI also notices that Thomas' heart rate is elevated, suggesting an interoperability with devices like smart wearables into the mix.
By the way, I detect a change in your vitals. Your heart rate increased a bit. Are you sure about the coffee?
As a result, it asks whether the coffee is the best choice, and when he admits he's a little nervous about his upcoming meeting, it switches to his focus and relax playlist. A little Kenny G, anybody? Later, when it's clear he won't make it to the office in time for his meeting due to traffic, the system connects him to a video conference, solidifying the impression that this is almost certainly a self-driving car, or they don't care about your safety while you're on the road. And then John Connors enters the car at a red light. Nope. This is some next-level Jetsons type stuff, minus the flying car and Delroy. Not there. Priscilla Higa, head of vehicle solution sales, emphasizes that LG AI in vehicles aims to improve convenience, productivity, and safety, essentially turning your car into an office on wheels. Equipped with true 5G and premium audio and video capabilities, it's a vision of what we'd all love to have in our daily commutes. And of course, there were TVs. LG's AI-enabled TVs don't just ask what you want to watch, they tell you. No, I mean, they suggest it. Anyways, based on your preferences. For example, someone says,
show me the new animated movie with the emotions.
And Inside Out 2 pops up. And all the feels along with it. Frank Lee, head of Media Entertainment Solution Marketing, explains how LG's TVs combine natural language processing and Microsoft Copilot enhanced AI for accurate recommendations. They also feature Voice ID, which can distinguish between household members and switch profiles automatically. It knows your voice and can bring up your profile based on hearing it. That's reassuring. With LG's WebOS Renew program, users will receive upgrades for 5 years, which just means more subscriptions. The revamped WebOS UI now includes categories for easier navigation, such as gaming portals and Xbox Game Pass Ultimate integration, allowing users to stream cloud-based games directly onto the TV, no console necessary. I will admit, that is pretty cool. LG also revealed the LX XBoom series, which includes the LG XBoom Buds, 2 personal speakers, the XBoom Grab and the Bounce, and the LG XBoom Stage 301, an impressive-looking stage monitor. AI calibration and lighting adjust based on music genres and room environments for the entire series. Plus, they've collaborated with Will.i.am, founder of FYI AI and 1/4 of the legendary group, the Black Eyed Peas, for even more futuristic functionality. With Will.i.am on board, I'm almost positive they'll be able to bring that boom, boom, boom. I'm sorry. Finally, CEO William Cho returned to introduce LG's Smart Cottage, a fully integrated residential living space. Think of it as the ultimate AI-powered home that combines LG energy solutions, appliances, media, and services. They're calling this approach Space. No, it's space as a service. Sorry, I can't help myself. And that's LG's bold vision for the future. From Affectionate AI to self-driving car offices and beyond, it was a very ambitious and very futuristic CES conference. Let me know what you think. Is LG delivering the future we hope for? Does it make you want to invest in an all-LG ecosystem? Will John Connor finally smash through the wall and crash the party? Drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you'll always know when the latest episode of Pajammed drops. Stay tuned for more CES highlights in our next video. But before we leave, there have been some doubts. Is this pajamas or is it a hoodie? And to that I say to you, never doubt the pajamas. We'll see you real soon.